Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's get into today's video. Guys, you already know from the title, I got my fall 2023 FabFitFun box. I can't say that. I said it like 5 times and I failed every time. So yeah, I'm so excited. The box says pumpkin and spice and everything nice. And you guys know I've already been feeling fall for about a month. So yeah, this box is dirty and gross. So I'm gonna throw this away right after this video. So let's go ahead and open it and let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got was actually, I believe, an add-on, which is the OB fanny pack, which I thought is super duper cute, nice and simple. It has a nice big pocket here, and then it has a big pocket here with the little one inside, and it has a nice little padded area, which I thought was really, really cute. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or giving this to somebody else, but I thought that this was really, really cute. All right, the next thing that's in here is Ricola Throat Balm, Soothe and Protect. I thought this was, weird and kind of funny that there was in here, but it's cool. I'm going to give it to my husband and put it in his bag. You never know. BYO blush. I did try a little bit on my hand right before this video just to make sure that it was like, it's basically supposed to change to like your skin tone or whatever blush. Honestly, guys, I thought this was a lipstick, but it's actually a blush. I'm not sure about that, but we will try it out in maybe a future video or a future reel. We'll see. This I was so excited for. I love Summer Fridays. I love their mask. I used to wear all the time when I was actually pregnant. But I absolutely love this. I picked what shade? It says vegan. Lip butter balm, and it's doesn't say the shade. Oh, it's vanilla beige. Yeah. I just love lip balm, and I feel like this is such a good size. It's a very thick consistency, but this is going in my purse. Who am I kidding? It's going to my diaper bag. The next thing I got, I am really excited for. I didn't even open it because I want to be careful that my daughter doesn't touch it. But it is a 2-in-1 digital jump rope. I really want to start working out. I want to go to Florida next year, so I want to be in shape. It is very heavy. So basically you're supposed to use it either with the cord, like a regular jump rope, or like this, and like obviously you're jumping. And it's supposed to, obviously be a digital one and kind of like count, I believe, like how much you're working out. Something like that. I thought it was really, really cool. So I got really excited when I saw this. I'm gonna put this right back in the bag right now though. But even like if we're traveling or something, this is like so easy to just take in your bag. Anyways, I thought it was really, really cool. It is pretty heavy though, so I do have to be careful that my toddler doesn't get a hold of this because I can see herself whacking herself. But I really, really like that this was a choice. All right, the next thing I got is also kind of like for Florida next year, and it doesn't even have a description. No, it doesn't. And there's no magazine in this month. I just noticed that. But this is a travel blanket, so it does come with like the actual little pouch it comes in. And it says travel blankets. And that's it. Doesn't say anything else. I actually have a travel blanket that we got years ago. I think we went to Ecuador, and I love that blanket. This is so soft, but I love that it's like very small and it will fit like in my boat bag when we go. Perfect for my toddler. So I'm so happy we got this. I love that it comes in a little bag to keep it nice and safe and clean. Happy we got that. I got a little thing for HelloFresh. So then I did pick this up for me and my husband. So it is a um, eucalyptus um, vapors, basically. So the shower steamers, you put them in the shower. As soon as they get wet, it kind of just like, you know, so you could breathe it in. It does come with 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. So I got this. I thought it'd be really nice for like relaxing. I might actually cut these in even smaller bits since we don't take really long showers, but I thought it would be nice to you know, have a nice spa shower. I also picked this guy up. I actually haven't even opened it. I did just peek into this to see some other stuff, but I didn't like, you know, really open everything. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this either. I might be giving it to my mom or my sister-in-law. It looks like a really good size, actually. Like, it's not too big or too small. It's, to me, it's so I used to work for Sephora, so it's so just Sephora vibe. Even this little keychain is such a Sephora vibe. But yeah, it's cute. Came with this bag. But yeah, guys, that is it for my fall FabFitFun box for 2023. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to sign up, all the information will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.